Good morning, students. So, today we begin with our second chapter, that is The Lost Child by Mulkraj Anand. Okay, so before we begin with the chapter, first I wanted to have an overview about the author. Okay, so whenever you read a chapter, it's very important for you all to know about the author and his life, his what type of a writer he was. Okay, so let's see what all important things we have about the writer Mulkraj Anand. Okay, so Mulkraj Anand was an Indian writer in English. He was notable for his depiction of the lives of the suppressed and deprived section in the traditional Indian society. Now, what is the meaning of suppressed and deprived? Suppressed means to stop something by using force, and deprived means not having enough of the basic things in life, such as food, money, etc. Clear? Now, Mulkraj Anand was born in the year 1905 and he died in the year 2004. Now, when we talk about Mulkraj Anand, students, he was one of the pioneer of Indo-Anglian fiction, and he was one of the greatest writer, or we can say the greatest novelist our country has ever seen. He, together with R.K. Narayan and Raja Rao, both are writers, was one of the trio of Indian English novelists. Okay? Now, when we talk about Mulkraj Anand, he has also received a Padma Bhushan. Okay? So, all in all, what we see about Mulkraj Anand is that he was one of the greatest novelist which our country has ever seen. And the way he portrayed his story, he always used very common language. He used very simple language so that everyone could read and everyone could understand about the story. Okay? And The Lost Child is a very nice story in which we can feel by every word that what really Mulkraj Anand